Isn't that great?
Thank you notes. And I've got part of my student leadership team here to present those to you. So if you guys would step forward.
On behalf of the elementary and Springdale schools, we want to sincerely thank you for the gift to our playground.
You're welcome.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
That was well said. Thank you. Thanks.
Here, you want to hold the playground?
I'll hold the program picture.
You can see the excitement of the kids. And Blue Cross Blue Shield, the Blue Youth Foundation have been such great partners with us.
This morning when we walked in, the reception that we got from all of you and from your students just makes us feel wonderful about the partnership that we do have, and that's exactly how we view it. I mean,
Well, this is a souvenir for someone. I don't know who would like to put that up in their office. We had, I don't know if you know, but we had 232 applications. Wow. We only funded 42, and you guys were one of them. So.
Yay!
Can we take it back with us? Is that okay?